Hello guys. NIO should launch the ONVO L60 immediately. Competitors like Zeekr 7X and Model Y Juniper are closing in, threatening ONVO market position. In my personal opinion, NIO should launch the ONVO L60 now. There's no more time to wait. Sharks are circling around the ONVO L60. They need to launch the product now. There's no time left. Okay, there are many competitors targeting this car. For example, the Zeekr 7X and, most importantly, the Model Y Juniper, which is the new version of the Model Y. The Model Y is currently the best-selling SUV, alright? How old is this car? So why buy the ONVO? Let's summarize some key points for buying the ONVO car. First, battery swapping. This is the biggest reason to buy the ONVO. Second, it has more interior space. Third, it offers better energy efficiency, at least 12.1 kilowatt-hour per 100 kilometer. Very efficient. Fourth, it has a 900-volt architecture. This also contributes to better energy efficiency and allows for fast charging. And fifth, the price of the ONVO will be cheaper than the Model Y. It will be 100% cheaper. But think about it, 3 of these points could be surpassed by the Model Y Juniper. If the energy efficiency of the Model Y Juniper is better than 12.1 kilowatt-hour, then that's 1 point gone. Secondly, if the Model Y Juniper has more interior space, then that advantage for the ONVO is lost. Thirdly, if the Model Y Juniper charges faster, then that would also be a threat to the ONVO. And you should remember that when it comes to brand power, Tesla brand power is better than ONVO. However, I would argue that NIO brand power is actually better than Tesla. People prefer NIO over Tesla because they find NIO brand status to be more luxurious. But what about Tesla and ONVO? They will be much harder to sell. Right now, customer interest is declining because a 60 kilowatt-hour battery pack seems small and insufficient in their eyes. Look, 555 kilometer or 300 miles of range is fantastic and more than enough. But they see that every aspect is better than the Model Y. But how is the battery pack the same size as the Model Y? People are thinking about this, and if they make the Model Y Juniper even cheaper, it will put ONVO in jeopardy. So, it's crucial for ONVO to launch the car quickly and start deliveries. They need to get the cars into customers' hands so they don't have time to consider buying the Model Y Juniper. The Model Y Juniper may launch at the end of next year, so you have at least 3 months to deliver cars effectively. NIO should take advantage of this opportunity. Why not launch it first? Sell as many cars as possible. Because I'm telling you honestly, this is a very logical approach. When the Model Y Juniper launches in China and deliveries start, how many people will prefer the ONVO L60 over it? Think about it. This will be very tough competition. And once again, it will become a battleground for a price war. Is the price of the ONVO L60 so low that it offers more bang for the buck than Tesla brand power and the Model Y Juniper offering? This is the biggest debate that customers have to consider. Absolutely, battery swapping plays a huge role in this. If NIO can effectively market battery swapping, it's a way for them to potentially surpass Tesla and truly bring success to ONVO. However, it's also logical to say that when the Model Y Juniper launches, you might see ONVO L60 sales begin to decline. This isn't rocket science. I think you all agree with this point. The ONVO manager highlighted another significant concern people have about the ONVO L60. This is related to the suspension. The MacPherson strut used in the front suspension of the ONVO L60 compared to the double wishbone of the Tesla Model Y. Both vehicles have a 5-link independent suspension on the rear axles, so there's no comparison there. But in terms of the front end, they mentioned that this is something people are a bit hesitant about regarding the ONVO L60. After some research, you'll find that the longevity of MacPherson struts is quite good. However, it's considered a cheaper type of suspension and doesn't perform as well in cornering. So, you can expect that this car won't handle fast turns as well as the Model Y. But longevity is a significant advantage of this suspension. There's concern among people about why NIO is using the MacPherson strut. It is seen as a weakness of the car, but I believe it actually offers a lot of benefits. It provides great longevity. Most people don't push their cars to high speeds while cornering, so perhaps the ONVO L60 longevity will be better. The CEO of ONVO stated that the main purpose of this car is designed so that you won't need to send it to a factory or service center for 3 years, meaning it will remain excellent for 3 years. This will be crucial, especially for the overall average sales cost of the car, for both customers and NIO. NIO won't have to deal with warranty repairs and similar issues, which is a good thing. Additionally, the MacPherson strut is actually cheaper than the double wishbone design, so ONVO will have higher margins. All of this is very positive for ONVO. It's definitely a very interesting proposition. Will people buy the ONVO L60 for its brand name or battery swap capabilities? Fortunately, there will be some founder perks, such as early ONVO buyers receiving benefits when the car launches. Those who pre-order before a certain date might get perks, possibly some free swap vouchers. Who knows? I think this would be a great move on their part. If they offer monthly free battery swaps indefinitely, like 1 or 2 free swaps, it may cost them more, but they will definitely have some founder perks. This will help boost initial deliveries. However, they need to launch this car quickly and get it to market as soon as possible. And when the Model Y Juniper arrives, we'll have to see. Will it lead to a full price war? Will NIO really need to cut their prices to strengthen sales, like they are currently doing with the NIO Bank brand? There's a 1-month free incentive at Best Buy, massive incentives, and free options. Yes, free 40 swap vouchers. Now it has come down to 20, but you get the idea. But moving forward, they need to launch this car quickly. NIO faces a critical decision with the ONVO L60 launch amidst fierce competition from rivals like the Zeekr 7X and the upcoming Model Y Juniper. Key selling points for the ONVO include innovative battery swapping, spacious interiors, impressive energy efficiency 12.1 kWh per 100 km, a robust 900-volt architecture for fast charging, and a competitive price below the Model Y. Yet, concerns linger over potential advancements in the Model Y Juniper that could overshadow the ONVO, particularly in efficiency and interior space. NIO must act swiftly to leverage these strengths before the Model Y Juniper arrival triggers a competitive price battle, threatening ONVO market position. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.